CS50 is an introductory computer science course offered by Harvard University. This online course is completely free and provides a comprehensive curriculum covering programming languages, algorithms, data structures, and more. Upon completion, you have the opportunity to earn a certificate from Harvard University, showcasing your newfound skills and knowledge.
Hello everybody, my name is Ray. Welcome back to our CS50's Introduction to Programming with Scratch. Today is lesson 4, so we'll be talking about values. So let's open Scratch. And values are basically the oval shaped blocks. This is a value, this is a value, this isn't a value, this is a value. But we're not going to talk about it today. We're focusing on this block, and this block, and this block. And there's also lots of other blocks like the size block. We're just going to talk about the oval blocks. So for example, the values are all the oval blocks. For example, when start is clicked, say your X position, which is a value, X position. So it should say 0. 0, okay. And if you want to also say Y position, join X position and Y position. Okay, and now it's 0, 0, but it doesn't look really neat. So we have to put join X and join comma and spacebar and Y position together, and then join it onto the X position, which is kind of complicated, but not that complicated. So let's run it. 0, 0. Okay, let's change it to somewhere else. Okay, here. 2, 0, wait for 10 seconds. So I'll move it to here. Okay, click. 236,156. That's a large number. Okay, and there is also lots of different, like to the operators. There's also lots of calculating blocks, such as like these, but we're not going to talk about them today because it's not oval. And we're going to also talk about this. If we want to know our X position plus Y position, you can get X position plus Y position, or you can times it. It doesn't matter. So for example, you want it to say, what is the sum of 1 plus 2. Drag it in, say 2. 2 seconds. That'll be, it say 3. And if you want to get some complicated ones, use the multiplying one. I'll do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6. Like this is a large number. You can use smaller numbers. And then 6, 8, 9, 6. Okay, so let's read it. Wow, that's a big number. Okay, and there is also lots of other different blocks. If you want to move something random, you can only go to random position, which is kind of boring. So we can pick a random 1 to 10. So it will pick a random number from 1 to 10. I'll just say 1 to 9, not 9, 1,000. Okay, let's see what it will go for. Okay, that's a little bit too much. 144, 118, 558. Okay, that is way too big. So I'll just change it to 100. Now, let's get it back to its highest point is 100 steps, which is kind of far, I know, but yeah, it's still good. It's still better than like a few hundred. Okay, so what are we going for? A tiny bit of bed, like this is kind of like 100. Okay, now it's at random speed. And there are also timer blocks. So when start is clicked, reset timer. And then when this bar is clicked, say timer. Say what's the timer? Say timer. Okay, timer is say how many seconds is timer up to. Okay, so start. Okay, I'm gonna click this block. 1 second and 0.62, 5.8. Okay, I don't want it to say the decimal, so maybe there's a way to let it not say the decimal. Luckily, there is round. If you're good at math, you must know the round, which is round the digit into a whole number, the closest whole number. So start click reset. Okay, 2. It's not giving out any decimal answers now, which is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. And do you want to interact with the character? Yes, there is a way to do that. So first, you can ask. Let the sprite ask you something and then answer. And then you have to answer it. Okay. Ask what's your name. So start, what's your name? I'll just say my Ray. Okay. And you can also say hi, hello. Wait, I'll just say hi. Join. Hi. Hi, and then the answer. So now it will say, okay, I'll just name me someone else like Tyranny. I don't know if I spelled that right. Tyranny. Okay, I'll just call this Hi Tyranny, but there's no space. So we can use the method before. Spacebar, join, spacebar. Okay, and answer. Okay, so what's your name? Ray 2. Okay. Hi, Ray 2, but there's too much spaces, so I'll just stick to 1 space. Okay, now it's a proper walking, like it's talking to you. So I'll just name myself 999. I'll name myself Devil. Devil 666. Okay, turn. Hi, Devil 666. Okay, that's kind of cool. And let's see where's the other oval in. Username. Oh, there was also oval shaped name size, and the size to 100. So now, if we click it, it should say hi 100 Ray. Like so, I'll do like Ray. Okay. Hi 100 Ray, and if we change it, the size to 99. Okay. Not 99 because 500. Okay, it's kind of big. What's your name? Ray. Hi, 500 Ray? Yeah, it's the size. Pretty simple. So let's make some project doing it. Or you can also call it show your knowledge off. So let's get started doing our homework. So the homework is the ask and wait block. We have to use it. And the answer block and the join block. Okay. So let's go to Scratch, not events. This is the last lesson. Now it's at the Scratch editor. Okay. So we'll do something, a unique project. So first we need to ask something to us. So when started, click ask what number. What number? Okay. Okay, what number? And then what size would be fine? What size? Okay, so now we can set size to the answer. Okay, and now what size? Also go like what? Okay, it will be super small. Now he's like one size, but 5 because the lowest number of size is 5. What's the size? Okay, I'll just do 1, 0, 0. Okay, it's way too high, so it can the biggest size is 540. Okay, he's kind of big. He's humongous. So the last block we need is the join block. Okay, I'll just set size to 100. First we need to set size to 100. Otherwise it's so big. Okay, set size to answer join by answer plus 5. Answer plus 5. Okay, so let's put it in. Okay, I'll get slightly bigger. Okay, so it's 100%. Okay, I'll just do 300. And it'll be, if my calculations are correct, it will be 605. So let's type it. Yes, because it's a little bit too big so it's 540. So let's do it again. So I'll just do 100. It will be 540, which is also very strange. Oh, because 100, join 100 is the like 100100. Okay, so this is for the things only. So just set it to, and why don't we make it say something? And then ask, what's your name? What's your name? And then say hello. Hello. Plus, not plus, because it's for the operators only. So join hello. Hello. space, and then the answer. So answer. Okay, now let's start. What size? I'll just go for 200. That's big. And then what's your name? My name is Ray, actually. Okay. Hello, Ray. Okay, so it's the end of the video. Hopefully you can enjoy it and have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel or to this video. Doesn't matter. So see you in the next video. Bye.